We welcome all of our existing and new customers to join us at the bauma event in Munich in early April. We have prepared a fantastic set of topics to initiate discussions with all of you. Firstly, we'll be talking about a tailored service offering. Secondly, we'll talk about how to automate and digitize your plant for better safety and productivity. Thirdly, how mobile precast plants can bring the extra level of flexibility for your unique projects. Fourthly, how do we drive to net zero in the built environment? And lastly, how we partner for industrialized construction. We're looking forward to meeting as many existing customers as possible, but also making new acquaintances and getting to know each other's needs in a better way. We look forward to discussing transforming construction together. Thank you.